All right, so our next example, and this is our last example, is going to be given 2 points. How do we write the equation in standard form? So write the equation in standard form of the line that passes through 9, -7, and 3, 5. So just like before, our first step is going to be to calculate slope. I mean, we have no option here for calculating slope. They give us 2 points. We have to use those 2 points. But now how you do it, you can choose formula, stack, subtract, slide, or if you wanted to, you can graph this on the graph paper and just count your rise over run, whatever works best for you. So that's 9, -7, 3, and 5. Nine minus 3, 6. -7 minus 5, -12. Move that down. Here's my fraction. Simplify if you can, and I can. It is -2. Step 2, write an equation. And actually for this one, just so you can see both options, I'm going to do both point slope and slope intercept form. If I do point slope form, I'm going to have to change it to slope intercept form eventually. But I can also start off with slope intercept form to begin with. Even though I'm not given an intercept, I am given a point and slope, I can still do slope intercept form. So we're going to start first with the obvious one, which is point slope. Let's do a different color. And I say obvious one because we have a point and we have slope. We're not given the y-intercept. So my slope, we figured out, was -2. And my point, I can use either one of those points up there. Let's go with the positive one, just because it's positive. Okay. Remember, your point slope equation is y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So y minus 3, and I should have done that in purple. Not 3, sorry, y minus 5. I thought this video was going to be better. Apparently not. Y minus 5 equals m, which is -2, parentheses x minus 3. But to change it to standard form, we do first have to write it in slope intercept form. So to do that, that's point slope. Just to remind you, that is the answer they were asking for point slope form. We want standard form, so we're going to keep moving on by distributing. So that's -2x, +6. Bring everything else down. Add 5 to both sides. So that's y equals -2x plus 11. And this is slope intercept form. We still want standard form. We'll get there in a little bit. I'm going to show you how you can get slope intercept form with the slope and a point. Now we've talked about this briefly. Just another option. You choose which one you like best. So this is 2 separate things. You don't have to do both ways, just choose one way. So we have the slope. What we need to do is find b using a point. So again, I'm going to go with the 0.35 because it's positive. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. I want to figure out b. I have a y. My y is 5. I have an m. My m is negative 2. And I have an x of 3 plus b. I just go through here now and solve for b. So I start by multiplying these two, which is negative 6. And then I'm going to add 6 to both sides to get the b all alone. Which is 11. So now that I know b is 11, I can write my equation. Y equals, come back up to my slope, negative 2x, and it's positive 11. Same answer, two different methods. So now from here, I can change to slope-intercept, or to standard form, sorry. Change to standard form. So we take my equation in slope-intercept form. And I'm going to start first by moving the x term. Which again is your mx. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. Do it over here on the side because this has an x, this has a y. They don't go together. So I get 2x, I still have y, equals, that side is gone, let's remember this time before I forget, equals 11. And it's positive 11, but no need to put the plus sign there. What I do need to do is put a plus sign right here because there's a spot that needs something going on there. They aren't multiplying, they're just getting added together. Next, check. Is a positive? And it is. So I don't have to do anything extra. Next thing I check for, no fractions. And there aren't any. So again, I don't have to do anything extra. That's a check, that's a check. There's my answer. All right, so yes, this is a lengthy process. Nothing we haven't done before, just combining it and putting it all together.